Indonesia is known as one of the countries with the largest population in the world. This large population has a significant impact on various aspects of life, from economic, social, to cultural. Sexual violence is a serious problem that occurs throughout the world, including Indonesia. Even though Indonesia's large population is one of the countries with the largest population in the world,
this is not necessarily the main cause of the high number of cases of sexual violence.
Legal protection for children as victims of sexual violence. Let's discuss in depth the legal protection for child victims of sexual violence. Sexual violence against children is a very heinous act and violates human rights. These actions can cause deep physical and psychological trauma to the victim and can have long-term impacts on their development. Why is legal protection important? Legal protection is very important to provide a sense of security and justice for child.
The legal protection provided to victims of sexual abuse is regulated in Article 5 and Article 6 of Law Number 31 of 2014.
Witnesses and victims have the right: 1. Obtain protection for the security of his person, family, and property, and be free from threats relating to the testimony he will, is, or has given. 2. Participate in the process of selecting and determining forms of security protection and support. 3. Provide information without pressure. 4. Get a translator. 5. Free from ensnaring questions. 6. Receive information on case developments. About Point 7. Receive information regarding court decisions. 8. Receive information in the event that the convict is released.
9. Identity kept secret. 10. Get a new identity. 11. Get temporary housing. Point 12. Get a new residence. 13. Obtain transportation costs according to needs. 14. Obtain legal advice. Point 15. Obtain temporary living expenses assistance until the protection limit ends and/or time. Point 16. Get assistance. The rights as intended in paragraph 1 are given to witnesses and/or victims of criminal acts in certain cases in accordance with the LPSK decision.
Apart from witnesses and/or victims, the rights granted in certain cases, as intended in paragraph 2, can be granted to witnesses, perpetrators, reporters, and experts, including people who can provide information related to a criminal case, even though they have not heard it.
Himself, he did not see it himself, and did not experience it himself, as long as the person's statement is related to a criminal act.